461 Hamming distance. The Hamming distance between two integers is the number of positions in which the corresponding bits are different. Given two integers x and y, calculate the Hamming distance. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, so so you could definitely do something like do a for loop and then just do it like 32 times and then see if they're different. That should be okay. You could also, one thing that, and yeah, and you could do that in like 2 lines of code or 3 lines of code or whatever. And there's not that much thinking. I think also you could, the other way, which I'm going to end up doing, is using XOR, because XOR literally determines, or it returns a 1 for a bit if that bit is, if that bit is different, right? So that literally is the answer as well. So I'm going to do it that way. Yeah, okay. I think also in theory, if I wanted to be, look cool or whatever, I could definitely do left shifts and right shifts and all those stuff. I guess just right shifts. But yeah, I've always found this to be slightly easier, and reasonable compilers will, optimize it away anyway. So I don't think that's that much of a deal, even though it makes it look way cooler to do bit shifts. And sometimes I still do it because that's, for certain problems, that's how I think about things. But for this particular one, I'm still thinking about a number. So okay. Maybe I get screwed on negative numbers or something. I don't know. Okay, cool. Yeah, I mean, I think there are a couple of ways to do this, and all of them are straightforward. You could essentially set this to be, well, x and y is equal to 0, and then you just do it one bit at a time. I think that's more than fine. I don't, like, if your interviewer is looking for this XO answer, I mean, it does make it look cooler, quote unquote, but there's not that much value in general. So I don't know how much, like if the interviewer wants a trivia question, then and you're answering a trivia way, then like I guess it's cool. But I don't know. I personally would not ask for that in this type of question. I just and it also seems like a problem that test your knowledge of just very basic concepts in programming, kind of similar to like what we said about the other problem, like FizzBuzz or FuzzBizz, something like that. But yeah, I mean, you could do it a for loop or while loop or whatever, and I did it pretty quickly. So yeah, I mean, this is definitely a little bit easy. So you will not get like a 45-minute phone screen just on this problem, where like this will be probably a part of a number of problems or part of a bigger problem or something like that. Yeah, okay. I mean, I think